In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit a form after submit in Google Forms. Sometimes people submit a Google form and then realize they made a mistake, forgot a detail, or want to update an answer. By default, a form might not let respondents change anything after they click submit. The good news is that Google Forms includes a simple setting that allows response editing, and once it is turned on, respondents can go back and edit what they sent. To get started, open your form in Google Forms. Make sure you are opening the exact form you want to change, because this setting applies to the specific form you are currently viewing. If you manage multiple forms, take a moment to confirm the title at the top, so you do not edit the wrong one. Next, go to the Settings tab at the top of the form editor. The Settings area is where you control how the form behaves for respondents. This includes options related to collecting responses, limiting access, and what people can do after they submit. Once you are in Settings, look for the section labeled Responses. You will see a small drop-down arrow next to Responses. Click that drop-down arrow to expand the response options. This area contains the controls that affect what happens when someone submits the form, including whether they can modify their submission later. Now find the option that says Allow Response Editing and toggle it on. When this setting is enabled, respondents are allowed to edit their answers after submission. In many cases, Google Forms provides an edit link after the form is submitted, so the person can reopen their response and make changes. If you are sharing the form with others, it is a good idea to remind them to keep that edit link, since it is commonly the easiest way to return to their response later. After you toggle on Allow Response Editing, the change is saved automatically. There is no extra save button required in Google Forms. From this point forward, your form will permit editing after submission, based on the way the form is delivered to respondents, and that is all there is to it.